Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We are the Berry Girls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making it count with the BariGirls Hawaiian Grilled Chicken.
Yes, we offer inexpensive recipes and flavorful recipes to our viewers, but we understand how hard it is to maintain an overall healthy eating lifestyle.
Oh, and this chicken tastes like Hawaii without having to fly there.
Well, now, Mom, I would love to fly there, but since we can't, this is a seriously quick dinner and there's no deep frying or breading involved.
What takes the longest is letting the chicken thighs marinate for at least an hour.
Yes, it does, but once it gets on the grill, it cooks quickly, so watch it carefully.
This recipe, it can be easily modified to your taste or whatever ingredients you have available. For example, if you don't have sriracha, you can use hot sauce.
Yes, and if you don't have sherry, you can use red wine. You can adjust the ginger, sriracha, and honey to your liking, which is one of my personal favorites.
And using the chicken thighs for this recipe is best because they are juicier, more flavorful, and budget-friendly.
And we all know chicken is a great source of protein. We do. But did you know that protein is required for calcium absorption and bone health?
Oh, I did not know that.
Well, this makes it an overall great choice for your family's nutrition.
And we paired the chicken thighs with grilled asparagus, or you can use any of your favorite grilled vegetables for a well-balanced meal.
Just have fun with it, and there you have it. One more cost-effective, healthy, family-friendly recipe from your girls, the Berry Girls.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the Berry Girls, on YouTube.
And when you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count. The Berry Girls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.